Mabuhay from Philippine Arena, Bocaue, Bulacan. With my eldest son, J.R. Michael. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Philippine Arena. Yun. Ito atin na bike. Yan. Para siyang park. Ganda. Yan. Ito yung arena for the concert. Yan, dalawa yan. Ito yung isa nilang stadium, may Philippine Arena. Saka ito pa isa. Yan. May playground din ng mga bata. Yan. Bypass road going to Santa Maria, Bulacan. And Philippine Arena Expressway. Ayun. May 5 ilaw kayo na kulay green na nakikita. Yan ang toll gate ng Philippine Arena. Yan. Okay. So it's nice to be here. Leisure time, jogging, family outing, and cyclists. Ayan.
Ready?